So I got sassy and I wanted to see it. He wouldn't show me his phone. And then he walks away from me and goes
to put my clothes on to go work out.
Okay, I'm so excited. So I just got the call mid-prep of the food. I just got done with one thing of kale, but my ring is ready. So I stopped everything I was doing and I'm going to get it. And I'm so freaking excited. I cannot wait to walk out of the freaking mall with my ring. So yeah, I just needed to share the information. Look at, like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? But I'm so excited. I got like weirdly emotional. I'm like, it's so real, it's so real, it's so real. Meanwhile, I already booked like a wedding consultation for tomorrow. And that didn't make it seem any more real than like this is. And it's so freaking pretty. Oh my God, it's so shiny. Oh, it's stunning. I'm so excited. This is so pretty. I love him. Yes, I feel better now.
Well, you should realize you're a total dick.
He was just Snapchatting somebody and I didn't know who it was. And so I got sassy and I wanted to see it. He wouldn't show me his phone. And then he walks away from me and goes
to put my clothes on to go work out.
And then he walks away from me and goes into the bedroom to do what he just said. And I follow him. I'm like, you're leaving. What are you doing? And then I get my phone because I haven't been on it since I've been home, and it was one of our group chats.
No. It was 2 of our group chats.
It was 2 of our group chats, so. Anyway, this is what I'm cooking. It looks really good.
So all those people on TikTok were right.
Shut up. These are beans. I'm following this recipe right here. It's Sally Baking Addiction.
Sally Sassy Pants is more like
Shut up. I'm making 2 separate batches because I'm going to freeze some of these so I can just throw them all together when I don't feel like cooking, because that happens often. But the recipe sounds freaking bomb. So yeah, I'm excited. And I'm going to keep you posted on what the rest of it looks like. But he's going to go work out. And he can now have some of the black bean burgers because I know who you were saying. I'm gonna open up these windows so it's not as... So also, day after COVID, and my arm is still hurting a little bit, but now I can like hold the phone in that hand and it not hurt at all, and like hold it up for long periods of times. So it is getting better, and that's the only side effect I've had with this first round, so not bad. Okay, so you know how we all have our favorite burner, but we never talk about it? I tried a different one today. I don't really understand why I did it, but it's not going very well. Pan is like burning. And look at my burgers, like I shouldn't have tried out a new recipe on a new burner, is all I'm saying. Update. I was getting this recipe confused with another one that I read yesterday. So you can even like, apparently, you can obviously cook it on the stove, but like this one doesn't call for cooking it on the stove. It calls for baking or putting it on the grill. So I'm pausing the stove situation and I'm just gonna form them in the patties, the rest of the batter, whatever mixture. I throw them in the oven for what it says to do. Hopefully it's good. You can only hope for the best at this point, you know? I'm still in the process of trying to learn how to find a perfect consistency without measuring the food every single time. A handful of spinach because you always gotta get your greens, okay? Just a little bit of turmeric and black pepper. The black pepper activates the turmeric and it's anti-inflammatory. There's a couple other benefits. Look, if you care, if you don't, that's fine. But today I have not gone thrifting in literally years. So I think I might go thrifting today at Goodwill. Because I really want to. I have not in so long, and it just sounds so fun. I'm gonna add some mango chunks, some pineapple chunks. Getting low on these bad boys. Since I'm gonna make a bowl, I'm gonna get my chia seeds out, and I also add flax seed, like a tablespoon of it. So I'm gonna add a tablespoon of flax seed. Oh, you know what's funny? I bought granola, and I just assumed, because like by the packaging and stuff, it was vegan, and like by looking at the front of it. So it might not even be vegan. We'll figure that out together, and if so, I'll eat it and never buy it again. I am using my vanilla pea protein powder. I'm gonna add mixed berries as well. Look at that, is my beautiful smoothie that you just saw me making, and we're gonna blend it. This texture is gorgeous, like stunning. Oh God, get in there. Oh wow, that's a lot more than I needed too. You know what? Contains organic, contains soy. Usually that's what I skip down to, is down here is the contains, and it will tell you if it's like fish or any other weird stuff. Vegan. This is the only thing on the packaging that states vegan. Like, are you kidding me? You are missing opportunities. Plant that sucker right here on the front. And that is the end result, baby. Beautiful bowl. I am going to eat and watch the James Charles. So there's this YouTuber called Observe, and he reacts to body language, or no, he reads body language and reacts to YouTuber like Apology or so, but he reacts to that type of stuff and just reads body language and shows you like how to read it yourself. And I think it's the most amazing thing in the world. So I've been recently obsessed with that. So I'm gonna watch him reacting to James Charles' apology video that he released yesterday. His like 18th freaking apology for his 18th offense, pretty much. I don't know how this guy's not locked up anyway.
Literally why? What do you need from me?
We're literally in the middle of a pandemic. Shit is still spiking at this point. Like, France just shut down, third shutdown because of it. And in that fucking store, there was more people wearing masks than not, so I guess that's a positive. But literally there was people walking around confident as hell with no mask on, smiling, looking at me. Put a fucking mask on, like how hard is it? Anyway, I scored 2 shirts at that one. But I did change the location of my camera. Do you like it? It's honestly pretty freaking nice. And that way when Matt's in here, you'll be able to see him too. And then once I was actually in the store too, I was kind of like, do I even want to be doing this right now? Like, I'm really not in the mood to shop. Yeah, I'm really not. I'm gonna try this new thrift store that I've never been to and see how that goes, and then we'll go from there, I guess. Twice but nice. Oh, here it is. It literally looks like a child shop. I'm gonna have to Google this before you go in there. Because if it's kid shit, I don't even need to go in. Hold on. Alright, that was a fail. Did not do research. I did not realize that I did not realize that thrift store was for children, not adults. So I am calling it quits on thrifting. I'm already over it. I don't really want to do it anymore, honestly. And I kind of want to try this new juice. Well, it's not even new, this juice place. I drive by it all the time. There's this juice store that I've been wanting to try, and I've never gone in there. So we'll see. I drive past it literally all the time. It seems to be a small business, so that's like right up my alley. I'm more than happy to support those. So I'm gonna go in and try it. I've never had it. We'll see what I think of it. I'll keep you posted on what I get. Dude, I want to break my fucking car. That's the worst driveway in the fucking world. My bumper almost came off. Toledo needs to fix its shit, man. It's fucking it. I give up, dude. I fucking go up to the door. They say they're open 1 to 7 and nobody's in the fucking building. So I am calling this day a quits in the sense of doing anything more outside of my home until Matt's home and we go to his softball. I wasn't gonna allow myself to film until I had food in my body, took Midol, and drank some more water. So I did all 3 of those and I'm feeling better already. Midol has not kicked in yet. Could do any second and I would be so appreciative because my stomach, the bloat is real, the uncomfortable is real. Lily is loving my stomach right now apparently because she's freaking cuddling it. The oven did just go off so that I could make chickpeas in the oven for the salad I'm gonna make. But like I would be known as the worst parent in the world if I left her right now. Look at her. Hi, beautiful girl. Praise that woman. Wow. But anyway, I kind of wanted to have this be like a what I eat in a day as a plant-based person. So you saw my breakfast. That's all I've had besides water. And then I ate a couple handfuls of these. Literally the best flavor in the freaking world. Very addicting. And I wish that Quaker would like sell these at Costco so I could get the largest bag known to man and not have to pay like, I think it's $2 or $3 for a bag of these. And they're very freaking small. Oh my god, yes. Oh, you want to get out? Oh man, what's going on? You should go see. Oh yeah, great. Fuck yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna go make my chickpeas, but I did have some of these, like half a bag of them, which really is not a lot. There's 3 servings in here. But I could legit, and have legit, and I have eaten all 3 servings at once before, so don't undermine. Okay. Okay. He thinks it's chicken. Poor guy. Would you like just a little? Okay. I hear you from up here, bud. You want some? Would you like some? Okay, here, buddy. Here, I'm gonna crush it up for you. Here, over here. You like it? Is it everything you dreamed of? You better eat that thing. You've been going wild for the past like 10 minutes. So a ton of kale. This is already washed and massaged. I don't know like how valuable the massaging is considering it just gets cold again. I'm not really sure how that works. And then this is from last night because we had these for dinner last night as well. And we kind of just threw all the veggies in here. Oh. Okay, Matt, I see you. So, I'm actually just gonna pour, like, I guess a ton of this in here. So there's cucumbers, there's red cabbage, there's cut up small tomatoes in here, there's corn, which there's more corn here. I'll probably add more because corn's my jam. I said carrots already, did I? And then avocado's down at the bottom. Matt put this away last night, so. And then I'm gonna throw some mozzarella in there. Yeah, you tell him, buddy. Oh, you ate it? Would you like another one? Oh yeah, apparently, right, bud? Okay, ready? Here you go, buddy. All right. I'm gonna add more corn. I'm gonna put some kimchi in there, good for probiotics. Also, just love the taste, like the vinegary taste. I'm gonna add in half of the chickpeas that I cooked. The rest, and then I'm gonna add some vegan ranch. I found this at freaking Costco and I'm like buying up anything that they have vegan there because I want them to add more stuff. So I'm just gonna add this to it. It is a very large bowl, like look at it. It's freaking huge. So if I don't eat it all, I'll just put it in a small container and I'll eat it later before I go to Matt's softball dude. Oh my god, you're so frustrating. Another one? Would you like another bean? Okay. Dude, you didn't even eat the second one I gave him. But I'll eat it before I go to a softball tournament with my black bean burger I'm gonna have. But yeah, so this is it.
Wait, oh, so it's not even a home run? You just get a triple?
No, you get 3 home runs. But a girl can hit as many as you want.
She said 3. I thought she meant 3
Oh, no, you get 3 home runs. Because over there you get 3 and 2 doubles. No, total. Alright, so any base hit.